Hey, I'm Steve, and these are the Eversnug Adjustable Layer Pillows. These are the queen size pack of 2. It seems like my wife and I have been on the never-ending search for pillows, and these are cooling pillows, and the material is satin. When you open the pillow up by unzipping it, you'll find 3 layers on the inside. Also keep in mind that the outside layers are also padded, so it basically is 5 layers. Let me also state that when I opened these, I didn't detect any odors whatsoever. The fact that this package contained 2 pillows, you could actually add more layers from the other pillow inside this one, and of course you can take away layers depending on how you sleep. Now, I already have a pillow that I like, so this pillow was for my wife and she has fallen in love with it. So I think you'll like it too. So if you're looking at this pillow, I hope you found my video helpful.